Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add music to your Instagram stories. So the first step would be to create an Instagram story. So to do that, you tap on your profile picture and then you can go to your gallery and select a picture. I'm just going to select this one that I've gotten from Spotify, and then what you want to do is tap on that little sticker icon at the top of the screen. So I'm going to tap on that, and then you want to add music. You can tap on add music and it's going to bring you up the whole bunch of songs that you can choose from. You can scroll and select which one you want, but since I'm talking about a specific song in the story, I'm going to go ahead and search for it. So that's the song that's in my story, and now you can see that it's added to my story. Now you have a couple of options. You can select how you want the lyrics to be shown and all that stuff. I'm just going to select it like that, and then you can scroll down on this and select what part of the song you want it to be, and I'll just leave it like that for this example. So that's how I want my story, and then I click on done, and then I can share that to my Instagram story. But in the situation where you don't have this add music sticker, I'm going to show you how you can get that now. So to be able to get that music sticker, if it's not available, that's coming down to where you live, and the music sticker is not available in every single country. So to get around this, you can use a free VPN, and the one that I recommend is TunnelBear. So if I go to the Play Store, you can search for a free VPN called TunnelBear, and then you want to go ahead and install that. As you can see, I've got it installed on my phone already. So if I go to TunnelBear and I select it, what I want to do is select my country. You can tap on that little up arrow and you can select your country. For the music sticker to work, I recommend going to the United States, and then you tap on connect. So I'm just going to wait for that to connect. Now that's connected, so I want to close TunnelBear, and then what you want to do is you want to clear all your recent apps, and TunnelBear will still be running. As you can see, it's still connected. And then you can go back into Instagram, and then you can tap on your profile picture, and then you should be able to have the add music to your sticker. If it still doesn't work, what you want to do is go to the Play Store and search for Instagram, and then make sure your app is updated. So if it has an update button there, you want to make sure you go ahead and update that. Then you can clear all your recent apps again, go into Instagram, and you should have the add music to your story sticker. So I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, please smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and technology every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace guys.